Hi, today I'm front of you Motorola Moto G23 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. First, let's open the settings application and then tap to wallpaper and style. Then click to change wallpaper section, and now we can select new wallpaper from our device photos from just previously taken photos on our device camera, or just downloaded from the internet. Also, we can use our device default wallpapers. So just select one from these available wallpapers. You can see here the preview on the lock screen. Tap on the right down corner and click to the lock screen. Just let's check it, and we can see that we just successfully change our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first open the home screen, hold the empty space with your finger for a while, and then just tap to the wallpaper section, and by the same way click to change wallpaper and select one from these available wallpapers. Let's use this one. Tap to right down corner, select lock, the home screen or both screens, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.